So what happened was shooting principal hleng my god boring ngafaka principal nje yazi yo ngizongena inkinga things SGB angistart most so zeke bangibulisha kuqala
yo allegedly
bangibulisha kuqala
allegedly
allegedly
but bangibulisha shem
It has been
and I hate that mother so much but it's fine how okay indaba iqala lana ekuthenini shuthi kube khona iSGB ikhatha abantwana amahibisi wesikole right angqini nekhathi nenhloko enkulu ngihotman esikoleni
obvious
we understand ni awuseshapu
ngiyakubamba
so inkinga yami ukuthi ngikhuluma kakhulu so bese ne discussion eclassini and sifunda nani ne RCLA1 discussion isaxoxa why mara bayenza sona isibancane ngithi guys oh siyaxoxa bathina abantwana bangifakela umoya bathi wena hamba smela usikhulumela noprincipal because they believe ukuthi principal wami uyangithanda yinto bengazi mina ke ukuthi like you understand obviously ni beka isikolo out there yes ukungithanda singayiqili
usuyifala
you understand ngithi athi abantwana sasinami hamba uyosikhulumela ubuza ukuthi what is happening because bavele bakhatha abantwana amahipisi wesikole without ukutshela abantu ama-grade 12 ukuthi isikhathi amahipisi wesikole bekune-meeting ama-grade 8 9 10 11 12 8 9 10 11 le abangibize ngiseklasini bangibize ngiseklasini ngesipha ngithi you know sensip Saturday bengiseklasini bangibiza akekho umama kule meeting akekho babami akekho ubhutami
uwe kuphela
bangibiza bangibeka phambili bathi ofuna ukumbuza iquestion nangu ice pop wenu ofuna ukumbuza iquestion esakaphakamisa isandla
abang how dare she
lento le illegal right now exactly yes abangilwisanga abazali ne but ukuba lento yokuthi kumele bakhulumani nami if banenkinga abazali mabatshela principal ngilanda eclassini lami azo exactly okabiza abazali bami basho ukuthi no sinenkinga esona so abakazwa abiza abazali bami